Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. The Simpsons predict Shiba Inu prices on April 1, 2023. Shib news. According to BitBoy, he just found out who the creator of Shiba Inu was. He explained that the beginnings of Shiba Inu were disorganized and can be found in Karma DAO, where FTX founder Sam Bankman was born. SBF, co-CEO of FTX Ryan Salami, and Andrew Lee, the founder of Karma DAO, were gathered. Among others, Armstrong first showed a deleted tweet from Lee in which he admitted to knowing the founder of Shiba Inu. In another deleted tweet from Lee, the influencer also finds proof that Shib got its start in the Karma DAO group in the summer of 2020. In this video, we will talk about the Simpsons prediction of the Shiba Inu's price on April 1, 2023. Shib news. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Also striking to Armstrong is that Serum SRM began in the Karma DAO group on July 28, 2020. SBF presented Serum at the Karma DAO to pitch the project. As is well known, Serum was one of SBF's pump tokens. Thus, BitBoy has the supposed proof that the Shib founder must come from the above circle. However, the influencer received the final evidence from another YouTuber. This unknown YouTuber told him that Naima Jahan contacted him after the launch of Shiba Inu. Jahan allegedly asked the YouTuber to delete all videos related to unification. This led BitBoy Crypto to believe that Jahan is the founder of Shiba Inu because Unification is the company building the Layer 2 network of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Sherbarium BitBoy Crypto also presented further evidence to support his claim. Among other things, he presented messages from the Karma DAO group, showing that Jahan was involved in the transaction of the legendary Shib donation to the Ethereum. Vitalik Buterin. In the screenshot, a Karma DAO member named Community Organizer, coincidentally, the ticker symbol of Unification Fund, launches a request to send a press release about buttering. Further screenshots from the Karma DAO group leaked by a supposed member also show the centrality of the Community Organizer Fund to Shiba Inu and the Shib transaction to buttering. For Armstrong, this is the final proof that Naima Jahan, aka Community Organizer Fund, aka Ryoshi, is the Shiba Inu founder. In a Twitter thread, Jahan contradicts Armstrong's claims. Hello guys. Since a YouTube journalist decided to take anecdotal information from the internet and do this again, let me do this again as well, Jahan writes. He confesses that he founded the Unification Fund but has not been in a leadership role for some time. However, he says he still contributes to supporting the team and the platform. Regarding BitBoy's theory, he writes in 2021 that there were unresearched articles about me saying that I was the founder. Big whale of a famous coin. These are untrue, and most were removed. Also recently, there have been unresearched rumors saying that I worked with SBF. This is untrue. I have been in the same room as SBF precisely twice, and one time I exchanged a hello with him. Zero association in business or otherwise. Now it is up to the Shib community to decide who they believe more in. The Shib price stood at $92, up 4.9% in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu price, like other cryptocurrencies, has been following the broader market cues for the last couple of days. The strong bearish trend kept the altcoin from recovering the losses it witnessed over the last month, but the changing winds might enable Shib to achieve that going forward. Shiba Inu price noted a 3.61% increase in value from weekly lows, trading at $0.90 to counter a decline noted 48 hours ago. Traders that have been patiently waiting for an opportunity to long the altcoin might be in luck if Shib manages to climb above the critical resistance at $0.1189. The parabolic stop and reverse SAR have been highlighting an active downtrend for the last month. The presence of the blue dots on the indicator above the candlestick has been evidence of the same. However, going forward, this downtrend might be coming to an end, and the indicator might shift its position to indicate an active uptrend. This is because the bearish cues have been weakening, which is visible on the average directional index, or ADX. The slip of the indicator below the threshold at 25 shows that the active trend is losing strength. Thus, if SHIB is in an uptrend the next time the indicator crosses above the threshold again, a price rise might be on the cards. Although, in order to establish a sustainable rise, the Shiba Inu price would have to flip the critical resistance at $0.01189 into a support floor. This would allow SHIB to climb back to $0.01395 and mark a 27% rally. Breaching this level would also open the opportunity for the memecoin to establish new year-to-date highs around port unity for the memecoin to establish new year-to-date highs around $7. However, the Shiba Inu price is not too far away from critical support either. If the altcoin slips below this level at 96 cents, it will invalidate the bullish thesis. Furthermore, the meme coin would become vulnerable to a fall to December 2022 lows around $0.769. Avarak AI is a cutting-edge AI crypto project revolutionizing AI development and deployment by integrating blockchain technology. Avarak AI provides a secure and transparent platform for developers to collaborate and build AI models in a decentralized manner. The Avarak platform is scalable and can handle large-scale AI projects with multiple developers working on the same project. The platform has already passed the Cyberscope audit, a clear indication that it is transparent and secure. Avarak AI's compatibility with blockchains and traditional cloud providers makes it highly versatile and flexible. As such, developers can seamlessly integrate Avarak AI into their existing workflows without compromising their preferred tools and platforms. Avarak is already eliciting positive discussions on YouTube and Twitter, as Dr. 100X and Crypto Labs explain why AVRK is a must-have token in your portfolio. To fund the development of its platform and build a strong community around its project, Avarak AI has launched an initial coin offering, ICO. The ICO allows investors to buy AVRK tokens, which can be used for various purposes on the Avarak AI platform. As the ICO shines in its second phase, the price of the AVRK token stands at $0.105 and will increase in the next phases. The project allows early investors to enjoy yields of up to 9% in bonuses. The cryptocurrency investor who purchased Shiba Inu during its initial days reveals that he deeply regrets selling the token early. The investor had purchased $2,000 worth of Shib in January 2021, a few weeks before it started to rally. Shib was trading at the time, but little did the investor know that the token would quickly delete 6 zeros within 10 months. An investment of $2,000 allowed the user to accumulate 25 trillion tokens in January 2021. The investor revealed that when Shib dropped prices the next few days after his purchase, he panicked and sold all the tokens for a loss. Call it misfortune or a bad decision, but the 25 trillion tokens would have been worth $1 billion in the same year. In October 2021, Shib reached its all-time high of $0.8616. After 10 months of him dumping trillions of tokens, it spiked 67%, and the $2,000 would have ballooned to $1 billion. The investor gave his reaction in a TikTok video in October 2021 after seeing the token reach its all-time high. "I just got a message from a couple of friends, and they told me that the number of Shiba Inu has gone up by 67% since January. In January 2021, I was browsing Twitter and came across a recommendation for buying meme currencies. One of them was Shib. At that time, I put $2,000 into it and left it for 2 weeks. It went down, and I sold it for a loss." He added, "It turns out that would now be worth $1 billion if I hadn't sold it." The investor ended the video by saying, "Now how do I live with that?" That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up. Share and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.